Reading Surah Al-Mulk gets your sins forgiven on Judgment Day. Reading Surah Al-Mulk before sleeping is a part of Sunnah and it protects the reciter from the torment of the grave. Reading Surah Al-Mulk before sleeping helps you in following another Sunnah. Reading Surah Al-Mulk will make its reciter enter paradise. Reciting Surah Al-Mulk helps us demand salvation from Allah. Reciting Surah Al-Mulk makes you earn many rewards and good deeds. Surah Al-Mulk boosts our iman and keeps us on the right path. Like, share and subscribe our channel for more Islamic content.